Guys, and welcome back to Dirt Road 4x4. Once again, we're back into the cars. We're headed down to Wings and Wheels at Bacchus Marsh Airfield. This event was fantastic. It's run by the Holden Group of Bacchus Marsh, and we had an absolute ball. Lenny and Carmen, Wasana and myself, Lenny with his HJ, mine with my HG. We cruised down from Werribee and we had a ball. The diversity of cars was amazing, from Mustangs to Fairlanes to DeLoreans, you name it. There was a mixture of everything here at the event. During the day, they run constant aerial displays with the firefighting helicopter and planes doing bypasses. You could hop into a glider. You can see here Wasana's enjoying getting a description of how everything works. And when you put the canopy down, the seat goes right back. So interesting position to fly a glider. But we had an absolute ball on the day. But enough of me talking. Get into some great visuals here of Wings and Wheels in Bacchus Marsh. What a fantastic event. We had an absolute ball. The diversity of cars, the way it was run, having the air displays in between looking around cars, it was massive. I know Queenscliff is the same weekend. Queenscliff gets really, really busy. It's a great show, but this is supporting a small group, and I think put it on your calendar. It's an absolute ripper. I'd like to thank the Bacchus Marsh and District Holden Car Club, along with the committee from the airfield who put this together. Great event, guys. we'll be back next year with our Monaros and loving every minute of it. See all you guys next week at Hanging Rock. Here's Trev out. Like and subscribe if you like our stuff. It really helps us. Thanks. Cheers, guys.